Hi, this is James with Max Muscle Davis County. Today we're going to go over this product here. It's Max Pro Elite. People ask me all the time, aren't all proteins created equal, and why would I want to take this as opposed to another one, or would I want to get all my protein from, say, chicken breast or tuna or lean steak? You know, all protein is pretty important, and the thing to consider is that protein is basically made up of amino acids. Now, amino acids are the building blocks of the protein. The easiest way for me to describe this is imagine a brick wall, and we'll call that a chicken breast. Well, each one of those bricks is an amino acid, and each one of those amino acids has a purpose. So once it's in the body, those amino acids go to work. Many of those have nothing to do with muscle. They have to do with how your body creates enzymes to break down your food, or hormones, or any number of different things, how your body uses energy, what vitamins those amino acids bind with, all kinds of things. But without protein, your body cannot build new muscle tissue. Imagine, if you will, that your body, now that we're going to take another analysis, is you store amino acids in your body in the form of muscle tissue. So if you're not getting enough protein, the natural course of our body recreating itself constantly through cellular respiration, through mitosis, we're constantly changing and making new cells. If we don't have sufficient intake of protein to supply the amino acids to do that, our body's going to steal it from the only place where we store it, and that's in our muscle cells. That's why a lot of individuals, when they come into the store and they get measured on our InBody machine, and their muscle goes down and oftentimes their fat goes up, it's because they're not getting enough protein and their body's robbing itself of the stored amino acids in their muscles. So back to this product. So when you say that all amino acids are in all these different proteins, it's true that the majority of them have all of those, but there's different concentrations and there's different enzymes needed in our stomach specifically to break down some of the bonds. This product here uses a blend of 4 proteins that are very well absorbed and digested, and they have a varying digestion time, meaning that some of it's very rapid, some of it takes a long time. The longer you have protein available in the bloodstream, the better chance you have of keeping muscle and losing fat. People often say, well, I want an isolate protein. Well, that's true if it's after a workout, but if you're trying to maintain a constant amino acid flood in your bloodstream, you want to use something that's going to take time to break down, but that delivers in stages, and that's exactly what Max Pro Elite does. Now, it does have some whey isolate proteins, some concentrate, but it also uses 2 casein proteins. One's called potassium caseinate, and the other one is micellar casein. So this has a 6.5 hour window. So individuals will use this in between meals or bedtime. Your protein needs vary. If you have a 250-pound very lean individual come in, he's probably going to need 2 scoops of this. If I have a 110-pound female athlete comes in, she probably needs 1. So when it says serving on the container, I would say understand how much protein you need, and we in the store can help you kind of better understand what that may or may not be. So this comes in so many flavors now, I can't even possibly tell you all of them. So we'd recommend come in, let us give you a sample. If you already bought some, now you'll know how to use it. Anytime that you're not sure about anything, also we're more than happy to answer your questions. People ask, what would I want to take with something like this? Well, that depends on what your needs are. If you're working out, there's pre-workouts and whatnot. But for general health, we recommend taking this with maybe some extra glutamine to increase your immune system and your recovery of muscle cells. We'd also recommend a multivitamin. You are producing more enzymes because of the proteins you're putting in there, and a lot of the vitamins help with that process. We'd also recommend maybe a Power Greens, which is going to help make sure that you're getting some of those vitamins from a natural source as well. But until next time, I'm James, and thanks for watching.